Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create page template in Shopify. So first of all, we need to access our Shopify ad page. In this case, go to shopify.com, log into your account and select your store. Now once you are in your admin page, make sure to go to the online store section here and go to themes. Now from here, click on the customize button that you see there. Now from here, what we need to do is we need to go to the top section here. In this case, this is going to be the button which in this case we will be able to view different pages for our website. Now in this case, typically when you open this section, you will only see the create meta object template here because currently we are only viewing the overall look of our website. Whenever you visit the product section here, let's go ahead and visit the product section. You should be able to see the following options. So we have the following templates that we could use. We also have the default product template here, which is the default template that we usually see for our products. Now as you can see right now, there is going to be a lot of pages that we can see here. So if you want to create a template for your product page here, you can go and click on create template at the very bottom. Now from here, what we need to do is we need to enter a name for this product or for this template here. So for example, I'm just going to name this as test template. And from here, once you have entered it, you could go ahead and choose what it's going to be based from. In this case, you could choose from the following options here, the templates or the pages that is already available on your website. So we also have the default one here. So in this case, you can just base on it and click on create template. Now once you have done that, you should be able to see your test template. As you can see right now, we now have our test template available. If you want to switch over that, you can go ahead and just switch, click on it. So let's just go back here and select it again to view. Once it's actually viewed, as you can see, this is what it's going to look like. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.